It's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, digital instrument gauges, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and streaming audio. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be. Another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
One stop, and the shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.